The mobile device in your hands can serve as either a time waster or a lucrative money-making tool. The great news is, there are numerous paths to genuinely earn income, all from the convenience of your home using your smartphone. Making money through your mobile has become increasingly accessible. There are lots of opportunities to earn extra money from your phone in a variety of different ways. If you're looking to boost your bank account, your smartphone might be just the way to do that. In this video, we will discuss some of the top ways to make money from your phone and how to get started. Making real money from the comfort of your home using your smartphone has become increasingly accessible. Here are ways to make money from your smartphone. Your phone is more than a device, it's your ticket to a realm of financial freedom. Before we discuss the steps of our video, please like the video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Online freelancing. If you have knowledge and skills in a specific area, then freelancing is a great way for you to make money online. In fact, a lot of people use freelancing as a way to make a full-time income from their phones. Join the ever-growing gig economy through platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or social media manager, your skills can be showcased to a global audience, allowing you to earn doing what you love on your schedule. Number 2. Survey apps for mobile. Another great way to make money with your phone without investment using survey apps. One of the easiest ways to earn extra cash is by taking surveys on your smartphone during spare moments. Kickstart your money-making journey by engaging with mobile apps that compensate you for completing surveys. Legitimate survey apps like Swagbox, Survey Junkie, and Google Opinion Rewards tailor surveys to your profile, offering cash, gift cards, or other incentives for your participation. Number 3. Playing games. Playing games is an easy way to make money from your smartphone. Playing games is not only fun to do but can also earn some decent money. One of the top ways Android users and iPhone users can make more money is through games. You can play games by downloading the apps on your phone. With games, you can earn points that you redeem for money or receive payouts in the form of PayPal cash, gift cards, and more, depending on the game. If you're one of the many people who like to play games on their phone to relax or while waiting in line, you might want to look into downloading some game apps that pay real money. Number 4. Cashback apps. Cashback apps is an excellent way to make money on smartphone. Downloading cashback or rewards apps from your favorite stores is a worthwhile approach to making extra money. Explore the world of savings and earnings simultaneously with cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey. Shop through these apps or use available coupons to receive a percentage of your purchase back. Cashback apps help you earn back a small percentage of the money you spend. Many credit card companies offer cashback as a reward option for using their cards, but there are also several sites and apps that provide the same perks. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money using your smartphone is by becoming affiliate marketing. The way it works is that you have to register with the affiliate program provider and then start promoting existing products. Dive into the world of passive income by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. Recommend products aligned with your interests and earn commissions with every sale. You can create engaging content, recommend products to your audience, and earn money whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Number 6. Video editing. Video editing has become essential for anyone that wants to share content online. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, business, or brand, having engaging videos is crucial. Luckily, it's now easier than ever to create and edit videos, even on your smartphone. You can make money by editing both long and short videos, such as YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. To ensure high-quality editing, you can use user-friendly apps like Simplified, a free app, CapCut, InShot. Number 7. Content creation. Another easy way to make money on your phone is by designing social media content for different brands using your smartphone. Interestingly, with the Simplified app, you can create engaging posts, stories, reels, social ads, graphics, banners, thumbnails, and more. It's an all-in-one tool for content creation, offering thousands of templates for posters, brochures, flyers, business cards, and beyond. So start content creation from today and start your journey to earn money from your mobile. Number 8. E-commerce and dropshipping. Turn your mobile device into a powerhouse for earning money through e-commerce and dropshipping. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon FBA make it easy to set up shop, sell products globally, and potentially build a thriving online business without dealing with inventory. Dive into the world of opportunities, from selecting products to setting competitive prices. Dropshipping business is increasing day by day, and you can earn a huge income from this. Number 9. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, consider offering online tutoring services. Online tutoring is an excellent way to make money using your phone and share your knowledge with others. Share your expertise through platforms like VIPID, Tutor.com, and Cambly. Conduct one-on-one sessions or group classes via video chat, making a difference in students' lives while boosting your income. Number 10. Photography skills. Another fun way to make money with your mobile phone is to sell the pictures you take when you're out and about. If you have a passion for photography, your smartphone's camera can be a valuable asset. If you have a keen eye for photography, apps like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Freepik let you monetize your photos. Upload your captivating images directly from your smartphone and earn royalties with each purchase. It's an ideal option if you have some spare time and want to earn money by completing small tasks. And there you have it, 10 best ways to make money from your smartphone. Remember to research each option, select those aligning with your skills and interests, and put in the effort to achieve success. Begin leveraging your smartphone's power today, turning it into a tool for financial success. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable content, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and stay motivated as you embark on your journey to financial prosperity. Stay motivated and keep hustling.